What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 5 live cop. Before we start the video, I did want to say I apologize for sounding absolutely horrible right now. I am pretty sick, but we're still going to make the live cop. Just ignore my voice. So this week is going to be highlighted by all of the Ghostface stuff. I'm not really the biggest fan of it, to be honest. We're not going for the Gore-Tex. I think I am going to go for the beanie, though. I think the beanie is pretty cool. I think it is $54, though, and if I'm not mistaken, isn't that like higher than usual for the beanies? Whoa. Do they take something off of this? Oh no, it's right there. Yeah, because see, the Devil S logo beanie is only $40 and the Ghost beanie is like $15 more. So I don't know, we're probably still gonna go for it because I do think it is pretty cool. But the number one thing I want this week is gonna be the mini barrier. I think this is so sick. They're not saying it's for fingerboarding, but come on, this is gonna be used for fingerboarding. I wonder if you can get two of them. That would be sick. I really hope you can. And the mini TV is cool as well. Actually, I didn't even realize they're dropping both like mini items on the same week. That's pretty cool. We're probably gonna try to go for the TV as well. We're gonna skip out on the skateboard and the other Ghostface stuff. The pigment coated 6 panels are kind of sick. I like how they're faded like that. We might go for those, but I'm not for sure. And then I honestly think there's just one thing I'm going for. Yeah, the last thing I'm going for is going to be the Devil S logo beanie. Yeah, so hopefully you can get every single color. I don't see why not. Usually you can. The only thing I'm concerned about is I really hope you can get 2 barriers. I think that would be sick. That is going to be the number one thing I want this week. Hopefully we can get this all in one cart. I mean, that would be ideal. Obviously that's going to be free shipping, even if we only get like half of these items. And let me just see if there's anything else here to talk about. There's not really anything too crazy besides the Ghostface stuff. They are obviously dropping the matching Devil logo zip up hoodie with the sweatpants. Those are pretty cool, but we're not going to go for those. I'm more concerned about the beanie. And I am now just seeing the pins meshback 5 panel. $78 though, so that kind of sucks, but this is actually really cool. Those all just, oh no, those aren't like previous year pins. That would have been cool. That's actually still a pretty sick hat, but for $78, I think we are going to pass on that. So yeah, it's a pretty light week. Nothing too crazy that we're going for. Last week was a catastrophic L for me, and I even think I said this in the video. I think that was like my very first live cop where we didn't even buy anything, but not really too much more to talk about the drop. So I guess before we get into this video, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also follow my store at the Storm Factory. All the information will be on the screen and in the description down below. And if you do like these live cop videos, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to be notified anytime I upload another video. I also have a playlist with all my live cops in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. My voice is sounding pretty crazy, but let's just get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We got a couple minutes left until the drop. I guess we could look over everything real quick, even though we all remember that last week was terrible. Still very upset I did not get this jersey. I don't even think I've seen any like in real life pictures of this yet. Still really want that. And of course we still want the box logo. I feel like everybody got this except me. But don't worry, we're gonna get this one day. We're gonna get this one day. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Just all the MM6 stuff. We didn't get anything like I already said. But there's nothing crazy this week, but hopefully we're still gonna get the W. I mean, I do want the mini barrier for myself, so hopefully we can secure that. We got a couple seconds left until the drop. Okay, here we go. All right, please let you get 2. Oh, you can. Perfect. So we got the 2 just like I wanted. Guess we'll go for the mini TV. Now we're gonna try to get all of these. Not really feeling that great, I'm not even gonna lie. Going back for this. Was that it? I feel like that was everything. Yeah, that was everything. Why am I tripping? Okay, we're just gonna check out. I felt like I was forgetting something. I felt like I was forgetting something for a second. I'm only worried about the barriers selling out fast, considering you can get 2 of them. Please try again. What? Okay, there we go. Hopefully we're not going to be in the queue for too long. Oh wow, right through. All right, let's go. Did we get this? 11 items in the cart. We got the barriers. We got the barriers. I do want to go back though. I mean, that was my only cart. I said I pretty much want to get everything in one cart, but why do I feel like I was forgetting something? Like, am I tripping right now? I mean, I always am, but I didn't say any of that. Oh, maybe because I was thinking about getting these hats. Maybe that's what I was thinking. I mean, we got the Ghostface hat. We got the beanies. yeah, that was everything. I don't know why I feel like I'm forgetting something. I must have confused it with where I was thinking about getting these hats, but we were well over free shipping, so we didn't need that. That was so sick. You were able to get 2 barriers. I wanted 2 of these because I kind of wanted to use one to actually display and not use, but then have one for fingerboarding. I know someone's gonna make a whole video about this for fingerboarding. I mean, they have to. And I know it's an accessory, but I really did think this was gonna sell out pretty quickly, but clearly it did not. But yeah, that was a pretty light week. Let's just, I guess we could just look over everything though before I end the screen recording. I do like the colors on this shirt. This is cool. Wow, and it actually did sell out in some smaller sizes. Let me go to the new again. Wow, full size run on the red's kind of crazy to me. I thought for sure that was gonna sell out. Well, obviously black did, but. And then obviously we know the hats did not sell out. Okay, actually the 2 Ghostface hats I got did sell out, but I mean, these obviously didn't sell out. Oh, the TV sold out too. Wow, so a few of the things we actually got today did sell out. So it looks like we did actually have a pretty good week here. So let me just end the screen recording here. And that's gonna do it for my spring summer 26 week 5 live cop. Like I said, nothing crazy this week, a very quick video, but I mean, it was nothing crazy, but we still got everything that we wanted. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this week. And I do apologize for being sick in this video. I hope this is not the first video of mine that you are seeing. I got a whole bunch of other live cops on the channel, and the playlist will be linked in the description down below if you want to check any of those out. But before I go, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All this information will be in the description down below. I appreciate all your guys' support, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I know I just said it, but let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. Hopefully next week will be a better video and a better drop, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.